Hello everyone, I am Akash Maurya. Today I want to address a problem we all face: information overloading. Throughout the day, our minds are bombarded with tasks, ideas, and reminders. But when it comes to saving them, there is too much friction. Opening an app, typing take efforts, so we get lazy and tell ourselves, I will remember it later. And we will inevitably forget. On the other hand, using standard voice assistants like Alexa or Siri feels invasive because our private thoughts and schedules are sent to a corporate cloud server. We need a frictionless private way to upload our thoughts. The solution Sentinel. That is why I built a Sentinel, the second brain. It is a voice first 100% offline personal memory vault that runs entirely with your browser. You just hit record and speak your mind to it. But Sentinel isn't a dumb voice recorder. It has a selective attention engine. Here is how the architecture works. When you speak, the text is handed over to the Run Anywhere SDK. I integrated this SDK to act as the central bridge between the user input and AI logic. The SDK wraps your text in a strict prompt and evaluates it on a scale of 1 to 10. If you are just venting or thinking out loud, like saying, I am so tired today, the SDK score it low and ignores it. But if you say I have a client meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m., the SDK detects the commitment, score it highly, and format it strictly as a JSON object. To ensure the UI never freezes during this heavy processing, I offloaded all AI tasks to a background web worker. Now you might be wondering, it's doing speech to text. Isn't the audio being sent to an API? Absolutely not. As you can see, I am completely disconnected from the internet and refresh it. Offline AI mic is ready, 100% offline secure. I bypassed native browser API and integrated a Whisper AI model directly into browser using WebAssembly. It catches a lightweight 75 MB model on the first load, and from that point on, speech recognition happens completely locally. The extracted tasks are then saved to IndexedDB, ensure your data never leaves your device. Let's check some words and sentence. Tomorrow I have to submit college assignment. As you can see, tomorrow I have to submit college assignment. Yeah, it's some words not catch properly, but work. Yesterday I bought a new car. As you can see, yesterday I bought a new car. It's noted down, captain. And in memory vault, as you can see, on this time tomorrow I have to submit college assignment. Yesterday I bought a new car. Tomorrow I have an exam of math at 10 a.m. Tomorrow I have an exam of math at 10 a.m. It's noted down, as you can see, in memory wallet. Let's ask to the Ask AI assistant, what is my schedule today? What is my schedule today?
G. Opka AAJ Ka data ya hi. 1 Tomorrow I have a exam of math at 10 am. 2 Yesterday I bought a new car. 3 Tomorrow I have to submit call as I meant. SAB Kuch said hi. G. Opka AAJ Ka data ya hi. 1 Tomorrow I have a exam of math at 10 am. 2 Yesterday I bought a new car. 3 Tomorrow I have to submit call as I meant. SAB
It's
Kuch said hi.
it's repeat two times because if a client don't listen it properly, it can ask another time, but it's speak two times. for giving the attention. Let's one more adding task. I have to buy laptop charger from market at 5 p.m. yesterday. I have to buy left off laptop charger on market at 5 p.m. yesterday. Noted down, Captain. As you can see. Also, we can delete it from today. Let's delete it. Okay, and we refresh the page. It's work properly offline. There is no internet connected. As you can see, I disconnected before. Let's add new. I have to complete my homework as soon as possible. I have to complete my homework as soon as possible. Let's make the clone of GitHub repository. Or cmd, yes, git clone. I copy the path of GitHub repository. This is an enter. Cloning into Web Sentinel 2. Let's go to the folder cd web sentinel. Now here we have to install npm install command. It's installing node modules to work localhost. Let's run it npm run there. Let's provide the link of localhost and control C. Chrome. You can run in any browser. Just copy and paste here. It takes some time to load. Initializing offline mic. It's first download 75 MB. Yes, it's ready.